When your end mill gets dull, you don't always need to buy a new one. You can sharpen it by hand correctly. For HSS, use a regular grinding wheel. For carbide, always use a diamond wheel. Hold the bit steady and grind the cutting edge at about a 5 to 7 degree clearance angle. Cool it down in water or coolant frequently. Overheating can destroy the hardness. Make sure all flutes are sharpened evenly, otherwise the cutting balance will be lost. And that's how a skilled machinist can manually sharpen HSS or carbide end mills for high-quality milling.